Well, I was going to go out looking for jobs again, and now there's like another foot of snow. It's coming down like crazy. We don't even have a snow shovel. So, this really sucks. Well, I just decided to go out before it gets any worse. I'm just going to go apply to one place for now. When it warms up and clears up, I'll go down, apply it a bunch. I got to get some money coming in so that I can pay bills that haven't been getting paid. Well, it started. This car's been having some issues starting lately. I don't know why. I really hate the snow. Hopefully I won't get stuck out here. I don't have snow tires or anything. Great. Yeah, it's a mess out. Well, so much for that. They told me I had to apply at a temp agency in Bangor. They hired through that, so no way I'm going to make it up to Bangor in this kind of snowfall. So I'll have to do that tomorrow or something. Well, it's back to the market. My car's stuck, so I'm borrowing my mom's car. It's actually my brother's car. He gave permission. I'd hate to, there's like $500 million lottery going off, so kind of hate to have my numbers win when I wasn't in on it. Well, there it is, a ticket to paradise, if it ever hit. It's about $630 million, so I guess you'd get to keep about half of that with taxes if you took the cash option, which I probably would if I hit. That would be so good. Boy, would the worm turn then. Anyway, back home now.